association members, media friends, doctors, healthcare professionals, board members, and everyone who has joined us today. So I take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our respected chairman, vice chairman, and co-chairman for their vision and for providing us this wonderful platform. On behalf of SRM Prime Hospital, I take great pride in welcoming our esteemed chief guest, Karima Mani, playback singer, Dr. Mano sir. Welcome, sir. So, Dr. Mano is one of the India's most celebrated and versatile playback singer. For over 40 years, he has enthralled audiences with his extraordinary voice, recording more than 30,000 songs in 15 Indian languages and performing over 3,000 live concerts across the globe. His incredible feat of recording 21 songs in a single day reflects not only his talent but also his unwavering dedication to music. What makes his presence today more special is that he is not just legendary artist admired by millions. He is one of our own. He has been proud resident of Valsarvakam for many years, and his home is a landmark for that area actually. So we are privileged to have you for our inauguration of this initiative dedicated to health and well-being of people. A special word of appreciation and welcome to all the members of the press and media who has always been supportive and highlighted our efforts in bringing advanced healthcare technologies to our community. Your presence here today helps us share this wider audience and reinforce our collective mission of producing quality healthcare. So today marks an important milestone in the journey of SRM Prime Hospital. Today we are not just launching a healthcare program, we are launching a promise to our neighborhood. At SRM Prime, we firmly believe that quality healthcare should not begin only when illness strikes. Healthcare should be accessible, preventable, and also reachable to all the families of this neighborhood. This vision has inspired us to launch this SRM Prime Zone, an exclusive community healthcare program designed for families within 5-kilometer radius covering Ramapuram, Mesapakam, Viragapakam, Valsarvakam, KK Nagar, and Porur. So through this program, we are launching a SRM Prime card where the residents will enjoy valuable healthcare benefits such as consultations, free consultations, preventive health screening, and also discounts on diagnostics and treatments. And we also support them with our ambulance services. Whenever any emergency happens, we support them with our ambulance services. One initiative that we are especially proud of it is our commitment to provide free health screening to 10,000 residents of this prime zone. So as all of you know that we are a 300-bedded quaternary care hospital and with world-class infrastructure. We have the most advanced MRI system, which is the South India's most advanced MRI system. And we have state-of-art advanced endoscopic suite and Da Vinci X-ray robo, advanced critical care facilities, comprehensive 24/7 emergency services. Our mission is to ensure that world-class healthcare is not a distant aspiration for people who are nearby us. So we want to give this world-class healthcare to all the people of this neighborhood. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our residents